Hi everyone, I'm Ben, and I want to showcase another one of our newer products that we've released into the market. This is our Presta Metal Polish, suitable for all metals. So stainless steel, mild steel, aluminium, chrome, copper, brass. And the awesome thing about this metal polish is that you can use it by hand or machine, depending on the application. Works very well on your steel rims as well, more industrial application, or if you're in the house and you've got brass handles that you want to clean up by hand, this is perfect for that. It's got micro granules in it, excellent for cleaning up surface oxidation. So I want to demo on each side of this piece of steel for you, one with the machine and one by hand, so that you guys can see what this product can do. So guys, just want to let you know, so that you understand what we're doing. I'm just going to demo this on mild steel for you. We haven't really prepped it or anything. This is quickly sanded from a P60 to a P320. So when I polish it, effectively the scratch pattern should come out. So you'll see the scratch pattern underneath. But I want to show you the gloss level that you can get, because we can prep this all the way up to a P4000 and then polish it. If you're looking for more of a mirror type finish, there's also that option. So keep it in mind. It's not only for restoring, but if you actually want to create something more glossy with the steel, being it mild steel or stainless steel, whatever it is, you can do that, but your sanding has to be correct. So the last step we finished on here was a P320. Make sure you shake the polish very well, because it separates in the bottle, you won't be able to see it. So shake it properly, please. Then you don't need copious amounts of polish. You can even apply it to, we're using a foam pad, one of our compound heads here. I'm going to apply it to the foam pad and then use it on the steel. I'm going to gauge the speed that I'm working at, start off a bit slower. I don't want to heat up the steel too much. It depends what you're working on. This, like I said, is mild steel, so it can take a lot of heat, but it's all relevant to what kind of steel you're working on. And you'll see, if you look at this polish, it's quite liquid. It's not like a paste. If you look here, can you see? It's like a liquid. So it can be a bit messy. So make sure you wear an apron, and if you're going to do it by machine, don't do it inside, because as you'll see now, metal goes black. Okay, let's take a cloth and clean it up after we've polished, so that you can see the difference in the gloss level, specifically between the two sides. All right, stage 2, or 1, if you don't have a electric variable speed polisher, we can use this polish by hand, which I see most people are doing. They're buying it for household use. Why I did it with the machine as well is because it works very well for industrial applications, or for polishing parts or components that you might need to make for whatever reason. But if you want to use it by hand, it's the same principle. You're going to use a microfiber cloth, one of our 5 that we supply in different thicknesses and, depending on the application, different consistencies. I'm using a sky blue microfiber cloth, and I'm going to apply to the cloth first and then work it into the metal by hand. Remember, it's liquid, so careful. As you can see, it's not a paste, it's a liquid. So it's in the cloth. I'm going to apply it to the surface, and then I'll work it into the surface by hand. Take another cloth, clean the surface, And there you have the finished by hand surface. So you can see there's quite a big difference. When the micro granules are worked in with a machine, they eat into the surface and give you a much smoother finish. The flatter the surface, the higher the gloss, the more light it reflects. Me working it by hand has still made a difference, if you can see, but it's not the same as machine. So this polish is very good by hand or by machine. Please guys, if you like this video, click on the links. Please follow us on our platforms, as you'll see on the links below, and keep your eyes open for more new videos.